Good morning students, this is Ankita Keshirwani here. So students, as you know, in our previous lectures we have learned about internal memory and its types, okay? And in our last video we had learned about external memory and its two types, that is hard disk and CD, DVD or Blu-ray disc, okay? So today in this video I will teach you about flash drive and memory card, okay? Flash drive is also known as pen drive, okay? So in this video we will learn about flash drive or memory card. But before starting with flash drive or memory card, we will just revise what is external memory, what is hard disk, and what is CD, DVD and Blu-ray disc, okay? Now see here, you can see external memory, okay? So external memory is used to store information for a longer period, okay? It is used to store information for a longer period. Data is not lost in the external memory even when the computer is turned off. Data is not lost in the external memory even when the computer is turned off, okay? As you know, in the case of internal memory, the data will be lost when we will turn off our computer, but data is not lost in the external memory even when the computer is turned off. The external memory is essential because the internal memory of a computer has a limited storage capacity, okay? So this one is a disadvantage of computer of internal memory, that is internal memory of a computer has a limited storage capacity, okay? So that's why we need external memory, okay? External memory is also called the secondary memory, okay? It is also known as secondary memory. And external memory is also known as secondary memory, okay? These are permanent or non-volatile storage devices, okay? External memories are permanent or non-volatile storage devices. Now you can see hard disk, CD, DVD. These are the types of external memory, okay? So this hard disk, CD, DVD, Blu-ray disc, flash drive, pen drive, memory card is also known as portable storage devices. Also known as portable storage devices. अब आप सोचोगे कि मैम पोर्टेबल मीन्स क्या होता है, व्हाट इज़ द मीनिंग ऑफ पोर्टेबल, ओके? सो पोर्टेबल मीन्स easy to carry, okay? For example, our mobile phone, as you know, we can easily carry our mobile phone from one place to another place. So our mobile phone is a portable device, okay? So portable storage devices means the storage devices that we can easily carry from one place to another place, okay? So it is known as portable storage devices, okay? So first one is hard disk. Hard disk, it is the main storage medium for computers, okay? It is the main storage medium for computers. A hard disk is look like this, okay? It is the main storage medium for computers. It is fixed inside the CPU box. It is fixed inside the CPU box. It can hold a large amount of data. It can hold a large amount of data. Hard disk is made up of multiple disks, which are further made up of hard platters of metal. Data is recorded on both sides of the disk. As you can see here, this one is a single disk and जस्ट बिलो दिस पार्ट ओके. जब भी हम इसका 3D वे देखेंगे तो इसके नीचे भी एक सेम एज ही पार्ट होगा. ओके, सो डेटा कैन बी स्टोर्ड, कैन बी रिकॉर्डेड ऑन बोथ साइड्स ऑफ द disk. Nowadays, external hard disks are also available, which are small in size and can be carried anywhere. This hard disk is attached, is fixed inside the CPU box. Okay, but nowadays external hard disks are also available in the market, which are small in size and can be carried anywhere. Hard disk can store up to 2 TB. TB means terabyte, or 2 TB to 5 TB of data. Okay, a hard disk can store up to 2 TB to 5 TB, that is terabyte of data. Okay, now see here CD. CD is look like this. Okay, a CD stands for compact disk. CD stands for compact disk. It is an optical storage device. It is an optical storage device. Okay, it is an optical storage device. A CD is a thin, shiny, circular disk that can store up to 700 MB of data. Okay, so a CD can store up to 700 MB of data and measures 4.7 inches in diameter. Diameter means that is the center of CD. Okay, from here it is radius. Okay, and this one is diameter. Okay, so 4.7 inches in diameter. A CD can hold text, graphics, sound, images and videos. It can be used for data backup and holding software. Okay, to access data from a CD, we need to place it in the CD drive, which is located in the front panel of the CPU box. Okay, CPU अगर घर में कंप्यूटर होगा तो देखना जो CPU बॉक्स होता है उसके फ्रंट पैनल पे CD ड्राइव होता है. ठीक है, सो वहाँ पे हम CD को प्लेस करते हैं. ओके, और अगर आपके पास लैपटॉप है सो यू कैन सी ऑन योर लैपटॉप, दैट इज लैपटॉप के राइट हैंड साइड या लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे CD ड्राइव बना होता है. ठीक है, नाउ सी DVD. DVD is same. DVD and CD both are same in size, shape and look. Okay, so the full form of DVD is digital versatile disc or digital video disc. Digital versatile disc or digital video disc. It is an optical storage device used for data storage and for recording movies with high video and sound quality. Okay, in CD we can hold text, graphics, sound, images and videos, but we can store up to 700 MB of data only. Okay, but in a DVD we can store 4.1 GB to 17 GB of data. Okay, in a DVD we can store 4.0 GB to 17 GB of data. It is used to store, it is used for recording movies with high video and sound quality. Okay. So students, as you know, a DVD is similar to a CD in shape and size, but it can store data 6 times more than a CD. Okay, it can store data 6 times more than a CD. The storage capacity varies from 4.1 GB to 17 GB. A storage capacity varies from 4.1 GB to 17 GB. Okay. Now see Blu-ray disc. Okay. So a Blu-ray disc, it is a new optical disc format that can store 25 GB of data on its single side. Okay, on its single side, and 50 GB on its dual sides. Its storage capacity is 5 times more than of a DVD. Okay. Now see Blu-ray disc. It is a new optical disc format that can store 25 GB of data on its single side only. On its single side. Okay. And 50 GB on its dual side. Okay. Its storage capacity is 5 times more than that of a DVD. Okay. Its storage capacity is 5 times more than that of a DVD. The size of Blu-ray disc is similar to a DVD or CD. Okay. So the size of Blu-ray disc is similar to a DVD or CD. It is mainly used for storing high quality sound, games and movie data. Okay. It is mainly used for storing high quality sound, games and movie data. Okay. This disc has derived its name Blu-ray disc from the blue violet laser. Okay. This disc has derived its name Blu-ray disc from the blue violet laser that is used to read and write data on it. With the help of blue violet laser, we can read and write data on Blu-ray disc. Okay. So this is about Blu-ray disc or hard disk, CD, DVD. Okay. So now we will learn about flash drive and pen drive. Okay. Now see here, this one is flash drive. A flash drive is look like this. Okay. So a flash drive is also known as pen drive. It is popularly known as pen drive and the most popular data backup device. A pen drive or flash drive is the most popular data backup device. Okay. As you know, a pen drive is a plug and play device. So why we called a pen drive is a plug and play device? Let's see with an example. This one is a pen drive. Okay. So a pen drive is look like this. Okay. So when we have to use this pen drive, we will just attach or plug. Okay. Plug this pen drive to the computer, to the laptop, to the mobile phone, or we can play the device. We can use it. So that's why it is known as plug and play device. Okay. And can be connected to the USB, Universal Serial Bus port. Okay. So you can see your charging port of your phone, that is this one, is also known as the USB port. Okay. So we can connect this pen drive with USB port. So it is a plug and play device and can be connected to the USB universal serial bus port. Okay, so full form of USB is universal serial bus port. Okay, so you can see this one, this charging port of our phone is an USB. Okay, is a USB, and we can fix this pen drive with our phone using this OTG cable. Okay, so this one is OTG cable, and using this OTG cable we can attach this pen drive with our phone. Okay, so it can be connected to the USB port. So अब समझ में आया कि हम पेन ड्राइव को कैसे लैपटॉप में, मोबाइल में, कंप्यूटर में कनेक्ट करते हैं. ठीक है, मोबाइल में कनेक्ट करने के लिए हमको स्पेशली ये OTG केबल का यूज़ करना पड़ता है. ओके, सो दिस वन इज़ नोन एज OTG केबल विच इज़ यूज टू अटैच विच इज़ यूज टू प्लग a pen drive into the mobile phone. Okay, so a pen drive is a small, you can see it is a small. Okay, and you can see one more pen drive which is also very small. Okay, so it is a small, lightweight, which is very lightweight and removable drive. Okay, we can easily remove it from any devices, so it is also known as removable drive. Okay, it is used for copying and moving data from one computer to another. It is used for copying and moving data from one computer to another. A flash disk can store up to 1 TB of data. A flash disk can store up to 1 TB of data. TB means terabyte, and is further planned to have its capacity up to 2 TB. Flash drives are faster in accessing data and are more reliable. Okay, so next one is memory card. Okay, memory card is a storage medium for portable devices. Like portable devices means mobile phone, digital cameras and music players. Okay, so in music players में हमको अगर स्टोरेज मीडियम चाहिए तो हम क्या करेंगे, मेमोरी कार्ड का यूज़ करेंगे. ओके, सो अ मेमोरी कार्ड इज़ अ स्टोरेज मीडियम फॉर पोर्टेबल डिवाइसेस लाइक मोबाइल्स, digital cameras and music players. Okay, you can see a memory card is look like this. So you can see here, this one is an example of memory card. Okay, so it can be easily removed for access by a computer. It can be easily removed for access by a computer. These devices transfer image and music files into a computer by using memory card reader that can be connected to a computer through a USB cable. You can see in this picture, this one is a memory reader, this one is a memory reader, and this one is memory. And using this USB cable we can fix this memory reader to our mobile phone, and after that we can able to transfer images, videos, text and anything else from this memory to this mobile phone. Okay, so same thing follow on a computer also. Nowadays most of the laptops comes with inbuilt card reader port. Okay, most of the laptops come with inbuilt card reader port. Now next one is a multimedia card in a digital camera or mobile. ठीक है, एक मेमोरी कार्ड होता है, इसके अलावा एक मल्टीमीडिया कार्ड होता है. ठीक है, सो अ मेमोरी मल्टीमीडिया कार्ड इज स्मॉल इन साइज, अप्रॉक्सीमेटली द साइज ऑफ अ पोस्टेज स्टैम्प. जो पोस्टेज स्टैम्प होते हैं उसकी साइज़ के मल्टीमीडिया मेमोरी कार्ड अवेलेबल होते हैं मार्केट में. Multimedia cards are available in various storage capacities ranging up to 512 GB. 512 GB means 512 gigabyte. Okay. So students, today we have covered our chapter number 2. We have completed our chapter number 2, that is memory and storage. Okay. So I think it is clear for you. Now you can see some exercises given for your brain development. Okay. So first one is fill in the blanks. Okay. Fill in the blanks. So some hints are given here. You can see you have to fill the blanks with using these hints. Okay. So now what is the first one is, the information in a computer is stored in the form of dash digits. मैंने बताया था the information in a computer is stored in the form of dash digits. Okay. So check in the hint box. ROM no. क्या होगा? बाइनरी. बाइनरी होगा ना. कैसे? As I told you that we can store, computer is an electronic machine and computer understood only the language of electricity, that is on and off. So state on is represented by 1 and state off is represented by 0, and these two digits are known as binary digits. These two digits are known as binary digits. Okay. So the computer in a the information in a computer is stored in the form of binary digits. जो इंफॉर्मेशन होती है वो कंप्यूटर में किस फॉर्म में स्टोर होती है? बाइनरी डिजिट्स के फॉर्म में. ओके. सो राइट हियर बाइनरी. ओके. Fill in the dash and dash are the two types of memories present in a computer. क्या होगा बेटा यहाँ पे? अब you can see here there are two types of memory. First one is internal and second one is external. Okay. So we have to write internal and external. Okay. So write here internal and external are the two types of memories present in a computer. Okay. The internal memory is of two types, dash and dash. Now tell me, internal memory of two types, which one is right? ROM and RAM. You can see ROM and RAM. Okay. So write here the internal memory is of two types. First one is RAM and second one is ROM. RAM and ROM. Okay. A flash drive is popularly known as, मैंने अभी बताया था, देखो यहाँ पे लिखा होगा अभी, a flash drive popularly known as pen drive. Okay. So write here pen drive. Pen drive. Okay. So a flash drive is popularly known as pen drive. A CD can store up to dash of data and is dash in diameter. So as you know, a CD can store up to 700 MB of data. So write here 700 MB. Okay. So a CD can store 700 MB of data and is 4.7 inches in diameter. So write here 4.7 inches. Okay. So a CD can store up to 700 MB of data and is 4.7 inches in diameter. Okay. Now our next question is state true or false. State true or false. Okay. So first one is RAM stands for random access memory. No, RAM stands for random access memory. No, this one is false because RAM stands for random access memory, not accept. Okay, so this one is wrong. So write here F for false. Okay. Second one is hard disk is made up of multiple disks. Hard disk is made up of multiple disks. Yes, it is correct. So write here true. T. Okay. A flash drive is very small in size and it is rewritable. Yes, of course, it is rewritable and it is also small in size. So write here T. T for true. Okay. 1 megabyte is equal to 1024 gigabyte. No, this one is wrong. So let us check first. You can see here 1 megabyte, that is 1 MB, is equal to 1024 KB. Okay. लेकिन यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन में क्या दिया हुआ है? 1 megabyte is equal to 1024 gigabyte. So this one is wrong. So write here false, F. Okay. Now our third question is match the following by coloring the correct pairs with the same color. Okay. Match the following by coloring the correct pairs with the same colors. So you can see first one is ROM. So ROM is a type of internal memory. ROM is a type of internal memory. So we will match this ROM with internal memory. So you can either use color like that. Okay, so you can fill this box using color or you can simply match this box by using pencil. The choice up to you. Okay, so you can either use color or pencils like that. Okay, so ROM is a type of internal memory. Next one is DVD. So students, as you know, a DVD is same as a CD in size and shape. Okay, so you know that a CD and DVD are measured in 4.7 inches in a diameter. Okay, so match this DVD with the 4.7 inch diameter option. Okay, or you can color it, using crayons. Don't use a sketch pen. If you don't have crayons, then you can simply match this box with the pencils. Okay. Now see, third one is flash drive. Okay. So as you know, a flash drive is a plug and play device. A flash drive is an plug and play device. So match flash drive with plug and play device option. Okay. You can either color this box. Okay, so this color is pink, so I will color this box using pink color. Okay, pink color crayon. So you can do it. Okay, now the last one is Blu-ray disc. Okay, so Blu-ray disc can store up to 50 GB of data. Okay, so we will match this Blu-ray disc with 50 GB. So Blu-ray disc के बॉक्स का कलर क्या है? ब्लू. So we will match this box. We will color this box using this blue crayon. Okay. Like that. Okay. So this is about your match the following of by coloring the correct pairs with the same color. Okay, so this one is completed. Now see next question. Application based question D. Okay, so first one is what? Sohail could not finish his project work in the class, so he wants to carry the soft copy of the project to his house in order to finish it. सोहेल जो है वो अपनी क्लास पे अपना प्रोजेक्ट वर्क फिनिश नहीं कर पाया. अब उसको वो प्रोजेक्ट वर्क फिनिश तो करना होगा, तो वो क्या चाहता है? ही वॉन्ट्स टू कैरी द सॉफ्ट कॉपी ऑफ द प्रोजेक्ट टू हिज हाउस इन ऑर्डर टू फिनिश इट. विच डिवाइस विल यू सजेस्ट हिम टू फुलफिल द टास्क? अगर मुझे कोई सॉफ्ट कॉपी अपने साथ लेके जानी है अपने घर या कहीं भी तो मैं कौन सा डिवाइस यूज़ करूँगी? मैंने बताया था पेन ड्राइव, क्योंकि हम इसमें क्या करेंगे? कंप्यूटर से वो प्रोजेक्ट कॉपी कर लेंगे और इसे मैं अपने घर ले जाके अपने फ़ोन पे या अपने लैपटॉप पे ले जाके देख सकती हूँ. सो यहाँ पे हम क्या लिखेंगे? हम लोग क्या कौन सा डिवाइस सजेस्ट कर रहे हैं सोहेल को? सो राइट हियर I will suggest him to use pen drive to fulfill the task. Okay, so I will suggest him to use pen drive to fulfill the task. Okay, now second question is Raghav wants to copy 3 movies on a disk. Raghav wants to copy 3 movies on a disk so as to see them at his place. Which type of disk would be the most suitable for this purpose? So, as you know, a digital versatile disk, that is a DVD, could be the most suitable for this purpose, because you know very well we can record movies on DVD. Okay, so we will suggest him use DVD. Okay, so write here a digital versatile disk और DVD, जिसको शॉर्ट में DVD बोलते हैं. ठीक है, सो अ डिजिटल वर्सेटाइल डिस्क और DVD could be the most suitable for this purpose. So I am writing here suitable for this purpose. Okay, so this one is completed. Now next one is, see here, E, multiple choice question. So now you can see the next question, multiple choice questions. Okay, first one is the storage capacity of a DVD varies from blank to blank. Okay, so the storage capacity of a DVD varies from dash to dash. So what is the first option? 4.2 GB to 16 GB. 4.2 GB to 16 GB. Is it right? No. Second one is 4.1 GB to 17 GB. Is it right? Yes. Is it right? Okay. But next one is 4.7 GB to 17.1 GB. No, this one is not right. So 4.1 GB to 17 GB is the right answer. So tick this. Okay. And write here 4.1 GB. 4.1 GB to 17 GB. 17 GB. Okay. Now let's see second one. The maximum capacity of multimedia card is up to dash. The maximum capacity of a multimedia card is up to dash. First one is 223 GB. Second one is 31 GB. So it is very less. ये नहीं हो सकता. 512 GB. So we can check here. Okay. You can see multimedia cards are available in various storage capacities ranging up to 512 GB. Okay, so write here 512 GB. So first take this and write here 512 GB. Okay, so this one is correct. Now see third question, that is dash is not a secondary storage device. So as you know, a DVD and flash drive is a secondary storage device, but a RAM is a internal memory type. Okay, so a RAM is an internal memory device or internal storage device. So write here RAM, RAM. Okay, RAM. So RAM is not a secondary storage device. Now next question is answer the following questions. So along with this video I will send you a PDF file, okay, and that PDF will contain all the exercise of this book and also the question answers. Okay, so you have to write only question answers in your notebook. ओके, आपको सिर्फ क्वेश्चन आंसर्स अपनी नोटबुक में लिखने हैं और बाकी की सारी एक्सरसाइज आपको बुक में करनी है. ओके, सो इट इज़ क्लियर फॉर यू. नाउ दिस इज़ इनफ फॉर टुडे. थैंक यू. बाय. टेक केयर.